Keto Korean short ribs. Well, they look good. I'm using brown Swerve for the brown sugar. Works out really well. Let's do it. These are my Keto Korean short ribs. There's virtually no carbs in this at all. I've ketofied it, and I've got 1.5 to 2 pounds of, this is Angus short ribs, nice and thin. You can see how thin that is. It's AAA, or you can see the marbling in that, or prime. I've got 1.5 to 2 pounds. First thing we're going to do is put some sugar on it. This is Swerve Brown. There are no carbs in this. It's an erythritol alcohol sugar, and it tastes just like regular brown sugar. Swerve Brown. So what we're going to do is put the ribs on the plate and take some of the brown sugar. The recipe for this, the exact measurements are below in the comments. This is about a 1/4 cup, I think. I'm just going to put the sugar on, kind of press it in with my fingers, like that. This is one of my favorite comfort foods. And I'll hit the other side. There we go. I'm going to put them carefully into a Ziplock bag. Okay, I've got 1/3 cup of tamari sauce. That's keto friendly. And then I've got amino acids. This is Bragg's, non-GMO, and this is a really good alternative too. Tastes just like soy sauce. So into this bowl we go. Tablespoon of sesame oil, real stuff too. Rice wine vinegar. I think it's about 1.5 tablespoons. I've got a teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. I've got about a 1-inch knob of ginger, minced. That's what makes it really good. 2 tablespoons of onion. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, minced. And 1/3 cup of water. I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to pour it into the bag on top of the brown sugar. Seal it up. And I'll put that on a plate. I'm going to put that in the fridge. The minimum time on this is about 8 hours, but I'm going to go 24. And I'll rotate it as I see fit. So the sugar's in there on top of the short ribs and the nice marinade. And I'll just flip it over like that every once in a while. Into the fridge. I'll see you tomorrow. I apologize for the first part of this Korean ribs video. I lost my audio. And so you actually got the audio from the down camera here. But basically what we did, we took 1 to 2 pounds of Angus beef ribs, short ribs, and we put some Swerve brown sugar on it, and we mixed up a sauce of tamari, sesame oil, black pepper, garlic minced, ginger minced, onion, and then we put it in this bag and we marinated it for 24 hours. Look at that. That's AAA or prime. I've got the grill preheating right now. I was planning on cooking this on charcoal right here, but rain just went through, so that didn't work. So you can see what that looks like. That's really nice beef. And I've preheated, nice clean grill, and we're going to hit this really hard and fast. The sizzle. This won't take long at all. And I've got a couple of Cubanelle peppers from the garden, from the global buckets. I'll throw them on. They'll go nicely with tonight's dinner. We'll let that go for a couple of minutes and then we'll flip it. That smells fantastic. These Korean ribs are about as good as you can get for beef short ribs. There, that's been about 2 minutes aside. The brown swerve is kind of caramelizing along with the tamari. And I've got some nice color on here. So I'll take this off and we'll plate her up. And the peppers. Look at that. That look good. I'm going to garnish with some chopped onions. These are little green onions. Goes really nicely with it. The Cubanelle peppers. You could probably peel off some of the charred stuff on the outside. And some sesame seeds on the top. Some fresh pepper. There you go. There's keto Korean short ribs. Look at that. Thanks for watching.